Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, we're back for an exciting video today, and also really exciting weekend. So this weekend, Stang Mode is flying in, and we're going to go review Franklin Yeti's 2018 Whipple 3.0 Mustang GT. And I'm going to be getting to meet Stang Mode in person for the first time, and we're going to have a lot of fun. But Gabe's coming over to the house today, and he just picked up his 2018 Mustang GT. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's a very, very beautiful car, white with the red interior, and we have a cool mod that we're going to do to that car today. So we're just waiting on him to get here. Should be any second.
But if you're wondering what 35% looks like on red, this is how it looks.
So now I'm not a super great fan of like really dark tint. It's just not really my thing. But probably should have went with like a 45 tint or maybe even a 50 because I still like to be able to see inside of the interior a little bit, but you know, to each his own, and that's just kind of how I like to roll. But 35 is just at the point where it's almost too dark for the way that I like it. Some of you guys out there like it like limo tint, and that's cool. So that's different. It didn't sound like that the last time that I saw him, so I guess he just did his X-pipe. And I think he did it like custom made, so we're gonna jack up the car and find out.
With Xander 13, as you can see, in his garage, because he's got the tools. I don't have the tools. Maybe one day I'll buy some tools. Say hello, everybody.
What's up, guys?
We'll link him in the thing. If you're not following Xander 13, you should be already. He's got a bunch of videos out. He's got a 2000 brand new 19 Mustang, which is right there. On Instagram, is it Xander 13?
Xander 13 _ official.
Okay.
And then just excuse my messy garage. We do live in it.
All right.
Hit it.
Step number one is Loctite. Like that. Yep, that's hub centric. That is a good fit, and that's what you guys need if you're doing spacers, because a lot of you guys are against it, but a lot of you do like it, and you know you're all for it. There's really nothing that severe about them, especially just doing a 1 inch. I mean, it's not that drastic, but you do want to make sure that it's hub centric, so it sits on the hub, and not lug centric, so it's not tightening on the actual lugs here, studs, wheel studs, because that's bad. Man, it's hot.
Ain't no joke.
I'm gonna need another shower.
Oh, it's too thick.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Step number 2, torque wrench. There's a lot of misinformation about these things, but when it comes to spacers, but I generally like to go to about 100, 110 pound-feet and then work my way up so that we don't immediately crack the spacer if that happens, going to 150 foot-pounds. Just the way that I do it. If you hear popping whenever you install these, go back and retighten, and then just make sure you're Loctited. It's pretty simple, and then just, you know, trial and error. Oh. And you guys tighten, going to crisscross, just like you normally would if you're changing a tire. Oh. All right, there's one down.
Get some new.
All right, I got this one. Same thing over here. Same steps.
Well, you know, working the streets.
Working in the streets. All
right. You get dirty around here.
Yeah. I mean, my knees are dirty. You know.
Yeah.
Hey guys. All right. So I'm taking a break because it's hot, and I don't like. I was in the Army, and I don't have to do Army stuff anymore. So when it gets hot outside, I go inside. But big exciting weekend. So you guys are probably already on track with this, but in case you aren't, this video should be out tonight. So in Nashville tomorrow, I'm meeting up with Franklin Yeti from Instagram and Stang Mode, and he's going to do some cool stuff with the car. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're basically going to all three get together and then have some collab stuff. So over the next couple of days, so today's Friday, you're going to see this Friday night, and then all weekend, we're just going to be having a blast. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button for sure. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss these upcoming videos because they're going to be awesome.
Trying to get in there, but try not to be in front of the camera either.
Yeah, I know.
I ain't trying to be on the top of your back either.
I've carried enough weight in my life.
Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, I get it. Definitely gives it a wider stance, and it looks more aggressive the way it's set up.
All right, here's what wheel spacers 1 inch look like on a 2018 Mustang. So I was just telling him, we haven't drove the car, so it hasn't settled yet. This will drop a little bit, but if you look here, they're a little bit past flush, and it's because these tires are a little wider than the P-Zeros that used to come on them, because you can tell right down through here that they stick out. Maybe you can't tell because it's really dark.
Yeah.
Let's try it this way. Okay, so if you see here, you got the wheel, and then you have where the tire comes out, so you have a lot more protection for the wheel, but it does make the tire itself wider, so it sticks out a little bit more. Just something to think about.
As you guys can see,
Here's you a shot of the front.
The tire, because the 275s and the way the tire is, they stick out a little bit more past the fender.
All right, guys, so that wraps up a spacer install on a 2018 Mustang. So pretty straightforward. Do want to use Loctite and then torque everything down to spec. And if you have any popping or anything like that, definitely go back and then retorque. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It definitely looks really good in my opinion. And as always, you know, it's generally a temporary solution until, you know, you get like an extra set of wheels and tires and stuff like that in. For my car, I'm probably not going to do that. I'm just gonna honestly probably keep these wheels for a while, and then I'm in love, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this secret away. I'm in love with the P51 wheels. If you don't know what those look like, they look like this. So they look really, really great, and they're extremely lightweight. And then I'll just use these for, you know, winter time or, you know, whatever, just cruising around country, you know, wide stuff, because I actually do want to start doing that. I really do. I want to start traveling around, meeting all of you guys, and doing a lot of collab stuff. That's where this channel is taking us. I'm very, very excited for that. I mean, I really, really am. I love getting to talk to you guys, you know, on here and then Instagram. So if you're not on Instagram, definitely jump on board. We do a lot of chit chat over there. So that brings this video to a halt. And as always, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And then I will see you guys later. Subscribe away.